This screencast is to show you how to navigate a seminar. So here on the student homepage, we have all of their seminar cards. If I click on one of these cards, I can see on the screen it takes me to any tasks and standards. So any tasks are blue, any standards are yellow. On the top is going to be anything that's not turned in yet or scored yet. And then under is anything completed. So here we can see all of these standards are completed and we can see the score. And again, we can see where that score came from if it was scored from this seminar. Below here are any completed tasks. And I can see that this was a checked in assignment. And I can see here it was checked in. And I can see it was checked in the seminar illustrated songs. And then this was a graded assignment. So I can see that this was graded. And as I showed in another screencast, you can expand this and see the score. When I expand this, I can also see any directions. So I'm going to expand. And when this loads, I'm going to be able to see anything that the teacher typed in. So here I have the task description. So here's the directions and the link. And then also here under resources is the link to this assignment. And then below here, it tells me what standards this task is aligned to. So this is a final project. So this is showing the portfolio of the projects for this seminar with the reflection. So this is kind of the culminating piece for the whole seminar. And then underneath, it shows me if it's been scored, which it has, that the student received a score of mastery. If I click on this link, it will take me to a project handout. And often the student is going to have to type into that handout, and then they're going to have to save it to their Google Drive in the folder for this seminar, and then they're going to have to turn it in. So once they have the assignment done, they can click Add Evidence. And here they can click their Google Drive button, and they're going to be able to pull it out of their drive. So this was me. I would click on my email. I'm going to allow myLC to use my Google Drive. And then from here, I'm going to be able to click in my Google Drive. If it's something I've just opened recently, it's actually going to pop up here. So I recommend a student open that document up, and then they're going to be able to see it and just click on it and select it. And then that's how they will submit it. If they're taking it right out of their drive, it's going to give the evidence name. If for some reason they have to copy and paste it, it's going to be important that they make sure that it is shared, that anyone with the link can view or comment and edit if that's what that teacher's requested. And then they could put a student note if they needed the teacher to know something. Normally I would save, but I'm going to hit cancel. So that's how things are turned in to the seminar. So if I'm clicking on some of these other things, if I click on the description, it will tell me what the seminar is about and anything that teacher put in the description for this seminar. If I click on resources, I'll be able to see any resources the teacher put in. So here I can see the syllabus, which would have everything I would need to know for this seminar. And then under evidence, if I click that, I will be able to see any evidence that student has turned in. And then another place I could see what it was scored.